Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. Contemporary bedroom window designs redefine the role of windows, turning them into essential elements of modern interior aesthetics. Floor-to-ceiling windows are a hallmark, allowing an abundance of natural light to flood the space and seamlessly blending the indoors with the outdoors. The sleek lines and minimalist frames of contemporary window designs contribute to an open and airy atmosphere, creating a sense of spaciousness within the bedroom. Innovative materials such as energy efficient glass not only enhance isolation but also contribute to sustainability. Motorized blends or smart window treatments provide a touch of technological sophistication, allowing residents to effortlessly control light and privacy. Unique geometric shapes or asymmetrical window placements are popular choices, adding an artistic flair to the overall design. Whether it's panoramic view of city space or a tranquil garden, contemporary bedroom window designs capitalize on the surroundings, flaming prehistoric views that become integral to the room's decor. These designs not only prioritize aesthetics but also emphasize the functionality of windows, creating a harmonious balance between style and practicality in modern bedroom spaces. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.